Hey, welcome to the Duranified channel. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to be smart tracking a bicycle with a Fimi X8 SE drone. So let's jump into the video and get started. Alright guys, I wanted to give you some context on this video that you're about to see with the Smart Track feature here of the Fimi X8. And I'll put this guy in trace mode, so Smart Track trace mode. I shot the video in 4K with the Fimi, 30 frames a second, and I uploaded the video to YouTube in 4K. So the other thing that I wanted to mention is that I had my buddy Robbie from Travel Tech 360. He just started his channel, so if you guys can stop by and take a look at his channel. Once again, it's Travel Tech 360. And I had him pedaling the bike while I locked on the Fimi X8 Smart Track trace mode on him. And what you'll notice is that the Fimi here will lose track of the subject when it goes behind an object like a tree or a car. Other than that, it does pretty well until the subject background is similar to the subject, and then this guy has a hard time tracking it again. But other than that, it does pretty well, really does. I was surprised how well it did. Now, I haven't had a chance to try chasing my boat, but that'll be the next test for Smart Track. Excuse me. The other thing that I wanted to apologize ahead of time is I keep calling Smart Track in the video Active Track, and Active Track is a function of the DJI products, where Smart Track is a function of the Xiaomi Fimi product. So I want to apologize ahead of time for making that mistake. So let's get into the video and you guys can judge how well this guy does. Okay? All right. Let's get into the video. Okay. Move up about 5 steps. Sounds good. Perfect. Smart Track. We're going to do a trace. And drag a rectangle around the subject. The drone will trace your target from different views. Please fly in an open area. Okay, up a little higher. And maybe a little further back. Okay. I got it. Alright, Robbie, go ahead and start moving, buddy. I seem to lost you already behind the tree. Hold it. We'll try it again. I'll do it higher.
Is it losing me when I get behind the tree?
Yeah. Let me start the trace again. Maybe just get right above you. Go forward 10 yards and I'll track her from behind. All right, hold it there. All right, gotcha. Go. All right, so active track seems to be working better this time. It's following Robbie from Travel Tech 360 here. He has the channel and he just started it, guys. So if you guys can help him out, Travel Tech 360 is travel technology and how to use it, doing the trace from behind, and it seems to be working just fine. And let's see what he does. Let's see if he decides to make a UE and come back. Yeah, sure does. Seems to be tracing him okay and coming back okay. Yeah, he's keeping track of him okay. He's starting to pick up speed. Will the drone keep up with him? Will it lose him around a tree? No, he did a pretty good job on that active track, guys. He's doing real well. He's right on him. So it seems to be working pretty well with that. So really, really looking good. Make another UE.
Good?
Make another UE. See if it tracks you.
Okay.
He's trying real hard. So he's trying to lose it now, and the drone seems to be keeping up with him, guys. So as you can see, he made a UE, and he's going back and forth, and the drone is keeping on him, man. Okay, so it just now lost him. So I'm going to say, okay, okay, the track is done. Let me see if I can get active track going again. Trace. Okay. See if I can get active track going again. I seem to lost him again. Trace. Okay. I can get him on trace again one more time. Trace. Okay. Go. Seems to be tracking him just fine this time. Nope. It seemed to pick him up again. I had to use my finger to get him to trace. Let's see what happens when he goes behind a tree, guys. So he's getting ready to go behind the trees. Let's see what happens.
Too much pressure at the chain slip.
Uh-oh!
And I got a cherry on my leg.
Oh no! Oh no, are you okay? Oh my gosh, Robbie, let's get... I don't know if I got any... Okay, let me get this guy down. So active track worked well, guys. Let me go ahead and exit this, guys. Had a little bit of an accident on the bike, so we're going to have to take care of that. So there you go, guys. That was active track. It's working pretty well. I'm over here in the shade. I'm going to step out in the sun so you can see me now. Robbie, let me get this thing down. All right, guys. So that was smart track, guys. I kept calling it active track. My apologies. Robbie, let's see that bad knee. Oh,
Okay, don't worry about it.
you guys, look at Robbie had to do for us, man.
Look.
He got a bad knee right here, man. See it?
How'd it keep up with me?
It did. It kept up with you, man. So unfortunately, Robbie got a little bit of a bad knee here, guys. So what happened?
My chain slipped when I stood up to give it some go. Whew.
Oh man, let me bring this thing in for
I'm
a
good.
closer view. You can see his knee right down there, guys. Let's see that. Holy crap. So,
It's the bloopers for the day.
yeah. So active track did okay until you went behind the trees. When you went behind the trees, it lost you.
Yeah.
But it locked in on you pretty good following the way, okay? You made those U's and
When I
the
made the
zigzag.
UE, I felt it going behind me.
Yeah, it really kept up with you. So Smart Track is not doing too bad here for the Fimi X8. It's not quite up to par to the DJI's Active Track, but Smart Track is still not too bad. I had to, another time was put this box around you when I lost you.
Yeah.
And it was still active tracking. I put a box around and it caught up to you. So it reacquired you in that sense.
Okay, cool.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, boom, hit that subscribe. Your upper swing, man, uppercut, your favorite. All right, thanks, guys. All right, that's it. I'm signing off. All right, now we got to get Robbie fixed up, man.